Oh wait,
My
give me
friend
one
would have died
sec.
from that.
I did a setting wrong on custom. One sec. Hey, don't
I'm
start
playing
it yet.
controller on see.
We're not playing yet, or what?
I'm good.
You're good?
Okay. Bruh, you said you weren't. You were just pausing.
I said I'm good.
Laser me, please. Oh, you're right there.
No, I messed up.
You don't say. You
GG.
don't gift. No.
Man, I got some like console type aim assist right there.
I mean, it said I'm in
What?
first. Is that
You
the
quad
most
dinked
kills?
me. I don't understand how you quad dinked me.
I don't know either. It's a scar, baby. Really? I don't want that, but...
My building wise,
Ah!
my aim wise, it's godly.
Ow. That hurt a lot.
Stop.
Oh my god, you almost
Oh my
killed me with that.
god.
Oh my god, guys. Stop it.
How'd you get all the way up to 99? You can only go up to 60.
Wait a minute, come here.
Kidding. You can only get up to 80.
Come on, edit the dang. Okay, why is this not? My edit isn't working right now.
You take the L.
What's up? Oh, thanks.
Why'd you let me do that?
I don't know. You said come up here. I thought you were gonna show me something cool, and you had to
Oh.
be all mean and bully. Yeah, toxic.
You know I'm
Exactly. For some reason, I think my edit's not working right now. Maybe I accidentally reconfigured my
Yeah, I
buttons.
fixed my setting. That's what I was doing. I'm supposed to only have it on edit, but it said switch mode to.
Okay, never mind. My edit's working.
I need to spit out my cherry seed. There we go. Oh my god, my edits.
I am fat fingering the crap out of my buttons right now.
Why does it target me?
Why do I target you? I'm not targeting you.
No, everyone targets me.
What?
What?
You went in the storm.
The storm does 100?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What?
I did not realize the storm did that much damage.
I mean, if there's only one storm, it obviously does max damage.
Yeah. But there's no storm in the real game that does 100 that I know of. I've never gotten there.
Oh my god! You
Gosh
said you're
dang
not
it,
good at
chicken.
editing, like,
Quit balling!
Ah,
and look, you have all these skins, and last creative, like 2 creatives ago I did with you, you were wearing the default, like.
Oh no, chicken's definitely the carry. He's
I know.
definitely the carry.
But he was saying he's bad. Like,
Yo, you should meet my other friend. He dropped a 20 bomb in solo squads. Do you think I
I've
could
done
carry-
that.
I've
done that.
bomb in solo squads.
I'm on console.
No, I was lucky. Hi there.
Gosh dang it. I've dropped a 4 bomb in solo squads and I lost.
No. I was about to say nice.
It was pretty funny actually. It was when I first started playing. I accidentally queued up
Get
for
outta here.
solo squads, and there was a whole squad that fell off the side of the map and were sitting on the side of the map, and I just threw grenades at them until they died.
How are
It was
you
pretty
getting
cool.
my walls? Might as well just jump into the storm, you know?
That's how I feel.
That's how Christine feels every game.
Oh yeah.
You're dead to storm. Good thing is that they have bollards for transportation. I'm about to fling you off the map.
You're not.
Come on, bum. You can do-
Doink.
Oh. Almost.
Oh, I went fling off the map.
Okay, bum. We got to work together and take out chicken.
Hey,
'Cause
don't
this
kill
is just
me.
ridiculous. I'll do my best.
Yeah, he's winning every game.
Yeah.
I want to see how I fare against a 1v2.
We're still gonna lose. You're good.
I thank you
That's
for
how I
that
feel.
compliment, but I don't want to be. Take all this. Oh, jeez. Okay. That's not nice.
I hit him 60, but he got. What the? That's not even fair.
Boy.
No, that didn't count as a kill.
Yeah.
We're redoing this. No, no.
Oh, now it's a 3v.
No, it's not, because he won't team up with us.
All you probably do is ask me to, because I'm a god. You probably will.
I mean, can you do something with your life and actually go outside? Probably the only
I
thing you
do.
do is.
I went camping last week.
That's just this week, though.
And I also play basketball with my father.
That's two things you do. I go outside, game, I do camps, I do sports.
Camps are fun, dude. Like, start
Stop the camps! Not the... Freaking... This is a serious fight right now. Chicken Life is 90
Yeah.
health.
Yeah, I'm
Darn it.
3, so.
Oh,
Pickaxe
your
him!
health,
Pickaxe
so.
him! Chicken Life.
Wow, toxic! Toxic. Come on, edit it, man.
Oh, darn
the
it.
flick! Oh, the flick! Okay, if you weren't messing with me right there, you would have won, but I'll take it. It's a win.
Oh! You want me to go full sweat?
yeah.
Okay. Now you're gonna go full sweat.
Excuse me. What are you talking about? Chicken's always full sweat.
I'm not full sweaty. You want me to?
Oh yeah.
Okay. I'm
No,
full
I
sweaty
didn't
now.
mean. Yeah. No, I didn't mean that.
Oh, that's.
Okay.
Are we still 2v1ing?
No.
No?
Y'all stand no chance then. With me full
Wow.
sweat. No.
I didn't say full sweat. That's not what I meant. I just said, oh yeah, 'cause my RPG.
Okay. Get out of here.
Yo, I built this too! This game is bad. This game is trash.
Oh no, fall damage.
Oh.
I'll be right back.
I don't even care. Like, at this point, I just wanna.
Oh, darn it.
Man, I am fat fingering the heck out of my buttons right now. Oh jeez, that was dumb.
Is this Wimples? Wimples, is this you? No, it's Tech. I died. Got a new sweat game.
Ah, stop that! Get off my back!
He's not on your back, he's next to your back.
You're hilarious.
Stop! No third party. No!
My ears.
God, you guys are sweats.
I
1
wasn't
HP.
third party.
Really?
Yeah, really? Ah!
God.
Don't be mad, man. Don't be mad. It's a friendly game.
Yeah, be mad. Well,
Who's Tech Deck? When did you
I
show
guess
up?
one of my friends.
Does he not have a mic?
I don't think so.
Oh.
ain't my friend.
Did he
That's
just
all I
win?
know.
Oh.
Yeah, duh.
That's who's
Yeah.
gonna win.
See?
Okay, okay.
Killed me. Killed you. I sweat, I'm ready to take my gun on y'all. Yo, all you guys shooting at me. Third party.
No, I said there was
Take
no
the
third
limit.
party.
Oh, nice edit.
What the heck? I didn't shoot.
Ah, Bill! Come on, Bill. Gosh, dang it.
I don't know about you, but I'm an idiot.
Freaking life, will you ever not go? I'm not going to,
playing
but I want to.
I'm just playing normally right now.
No, you're not. You know you're going to sweat. You're probably sweating your balls off right now.
Watch your language there, buddy.
I'm good.
No, literally. Watch your language.
No, I don't
I'm
need
gonna
to.
unadd you if you want to say
Family-friendly stream. Gosh, dang it. I am messing up my builds like crazy right now.
I just almost fell down off a mountain.
That would have
Wait,
been
where
good.
Are you?
What?
Are you the guy down here building out of brick?
Yep, and I died fall damage again.
Somehow I
Man,
lost.
you're just like Myth.
Oh yeah.
Except for not
Mick-
nearly. Wait, who's just
Myth,
like Myth?
Myth is famous for his fall damage. It's kind of like you.
Yeah, except for Myth, I'm not nearly as good. Well, no, never mind. I'm way better than Myth. Way better.
Yeah. That's right.
Positive mental attitude, that's what.
Oh crap, that circle.
That's an RPG, of course.
I just sound like a giant like RPG and class.
Wow.
Yeah, that was my cleaners.
Who took me out? Was that you, Chicken?
Maybe.
No, you're third partying already. Third partying already. God.
supposed to simulate a real game, man.
Third parties happen to me all the time, okay? Yeah, I
No,
know.
not okay. Whenever you guys third party, I get killed. It's only me, cause I'm the target.
No, because you're pretty much the one closest to all of us.
Of course. I hate this game.
Okay.
I fall from 2 meters and I take fall damage. Ah.
You guys mind if I record this?
Yeah.
No.
You do mind? Or you don't?
Yes, I do mind.
I
God.
don't mind.
If you're a... I'm muting my mic.
Okay. Oh, I hit someone with that. Oh, well, I got that guy. Okay. Free kill for me. Oh crap. No shooting down, no shooting down.
Oh,
no!
sorry. That's.
Oh, I got so scared there.
He's gonna be mad that I just destroyed his baller.
Probably.
I'm not trying to bully him.
Oh, well, I killed him. Somehow.
Oh no!
Oh, my ears. What the heck? I didn't build.
Stop!
Hey, family friendly stream, okay? Otherwise, I'm gonna have to kick you from here.
Shut up.
Okay, that's. Told you too many times. Oops, I didn't mean to unadd you.
Are you busy?
Add friend,
Wait, don't
and
kick
then-
me. Don't kick me.
We're not trying
Why?
to pick
You're
on you,
not-
man. We're just playing.
And you're not being family friendly.
Oh no!
I was
Ah,
telling
darn.
my brother to... Cause he's like, chill
mad, man.
out, dude.
Don't be mad.
You're bad. No, you already unfriended me.
I didn't mean to. Add me back. Do you have me added?
And look, you already kicked me.
No, I didn't. What do you
Yeah, you
mean?
did. I'm not stupid.
What?
You're
You're
still
not-
in the
you're
game
still in the
chat.
party.
In the party chat.
This is a party chat. This is game chat.
I'm not stupid. Oh, he tried to do like swaggy edits and he done somewhere.
Because I get blocked off. God. Exactly 100 fall damage? Oh, this game is trash. Shut up. I'm not talking to you.
Okay, I don't care.
I'm talking to my brother, legit.
Where you at? We have the spawn.
I'm hiding
No,
from
why are you
you.
breaking the, why is it breaking the baller? Oh god, no, 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 let me out of here, no! Eee! Hold on to the wall, wait for zone.
Barely caught himself.
myself into stuff. Just gonna dump it off the side there. Oh my god, I'm missing all my shots.
You sure are.
Why is my AR in my shotgun spot?
Because you're bad. You're bad. And I'm out of mats completely. So congratulations, you win.
Oh, 360.
That is so dirty, man. Just because you're way better than me doesn't mean you need to pick on me.
I'm not picking on you.
Well, doesn't mean you need to style on me, I guess I should say.
Well, I'm just practicing my nose good. Well, like thingies for my.
Can we do a different Zone Wars? This one's too small.
Okay.
Here, go back to hub.
Yeah, everyone back to hub.
I have a code.